Ladies, gents, good afternoon from Europe. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Piotr here, this is Light Forex Global YouTube channel. US cash market is about to open within the next 2 minutes. It looks like we are going to have a full first trading day post Easter. Nothing extraordinary when it comes to the calendar today. But tomorrow, just a reminder, very good US data package with retail sales, with the Empire State Manufacturing Index, with the industrial production capacity utilization rate, as well as verge book, plus Bank of Canada Central Bank rate decision. Thursday, Australian employment change, unemployment rate. Meaning that we are talking about the job sector. Again, Thursday, building permits, housing starts, Fed index, but in Thursday, weekly jobless claims, that's gonna be the key. And a little bit more quiet on Friday, just Chinese GDP. Focus on Chinese GDP. So that's what we are going to have start tomorrow. Let's have a look where we are going to have the US cash open today. All right. So today a little bit different. We are going to discuss DJ, Dow Jones, right? Especially taking into consideration the price action we've seen yesterday. That's gonna be quite crucial, because that's the blue dotted line, that's the weekly open, and that's the weekly low. And if we are going to be able to go and close above weekly open, so probably we are going to try to fight with this gap from this one-to-one perspective. That could be the case, right? The oil, that's what trying to hold the bull horses right here, right now. We will see. JP Morgan announced earnings report earlier today. Very poor, but who cares, right? Fed is buying almost everything, so probably it's gonna somehow help JP Morgan. Anyway, that's the first 5-minute trading range we are going to watch here, right? But again, let's switch a little bit higher. I would love to see attempt to go above the weekly open and some failure over there, right? That would be so nice. That we are going to make the measure of the first 5-minute trading range. Then we are going to see what next. Well, I'm struggling with the long dollar, with the euro dollar. It's all about the daily close today. After the failure yesterday, we were able to make higher high. Okay, so I'm going to watch very carefully the price action somewhere around 0950. If that's gonna be retest and higher, or if we are going to get back below and trying to go lower. So I'm on the verge of the but my exposure to the short euro dollar is not that big as it is to the cable, and here that's where I'm struggling the most with the cable, because what happened yesterday, we got the daily close around 25 above 24.80, right? And if we are going to get the close somewhere here today, well, probably I'm going to cut at least half. Would be great to get the close somewhere similar to yesterday level with the upper shadow. That would be something I'm looking for. So when it comes to euro dollar and when it comes to the cable, I'm fighting right now, doing nothing, watching, trying to figure it out what they want to do. But I'm looking to buy Euro Pound. I'm looking to buy Euro Pound. I'm looking to buy Euro Pound around 87 level. So I'm looking for retest of this latest weakness somewhere here, right? So that's my buy order down towards 87.05, 87, 86, 95 when it comes to the Euro Pound. Also, I'm very bullish on the Euro Kiwi. Unfortunately, looks like they trying to get out of that buying zone without me. All right, I've been looking for 78. The low was 78.35 or so. Looks like we might have nice engulf. And my next buying order is around 76. Well, I'm going to watch very carefully where we are towards the end of the day, right? I might not be filled either 78 or 76, 78 today, just to confirm low, 78.40, so I missed by 35 pips. Still think maybe somehow a little bit lower. The first target here is this consolidation around 82.50. All right. I'm not gonna chase, but maybe somehow a little bit lower levels, especially this tweezer top on the early break. So talking about 79.40. So maybe this type of the retest. So bullish on euro. I know it's strange, but bullish on euro versus pound and bullish on euro versus Kiwi dollar. Let's have a look what we have when it comes to the DJ, as we are almost close. Yeah, has been closed. First 5-minute trading range. So what I would like to see, this type of the movement, either one or two ranges of the first 5-minute initial trading range, and then some kind of the failure. I would prefer to see one instead of doubling that one, right? So I would like to see that one to the upside, this type of the move. But it could work with the quick rejection with this type of the move, right? So either we are talking about the levels close to 24.050 or 24.150, 160. When it comes to the buying side, when talking about the DJ, we have to switch back to the daily chart, and we have to see what is going on. So I think the first initial buying may step in, and the buyers may try to around the lows when it comes to the yesterday close, right? Because everything we see right now, it's related to the pre-market move. So maybe we are going to have some stop count, right? And maybe, just maybe, we are going to retest some lows to the downside, and that's what I'm talking about, somewhere here. So 23,400, 23,350, just to hit those stops, right? Not gonna chase different way. At least I'm not gonna chase based on what I see right here, right now on the indices, especially here on the DJ. All right. So both cases. Trying to summarize, looking to buy Euro Pound, looking to buy Euro Kiwi. Watching very carefully the developments on the euro dollar and the cable, so meaning that, well, looks like I might be totally wrong when it comes to the dollar. Finally, oil. Here, I'm not mistaken, we are going lower. Unfortunately, I'm not mistaken, but we are going lower without myself. Well, I had a problem to somehow join the party to the downside. Now, important developments are gonna be around 2050, 1950, right? So this green zone based on the daily chart, that's why I'm not chasing the price, because I don't wanna be trapped. I don't want to sell into the demand because we are approaching the demand. So I'm very curious what's going to happen here. If you are going to see strong move to the downside, that could be a game changer also for the indices and the Canadian dollar ahead of the Bank of Canada tomorrow. So waiting with the buying order for Euro Pound, waiting for a buying order with Euro Kiwi, trading both sides on the DJ, and watching the developments on the Euro Dollar and cable. I'm going to prepare a separate update later today when it comes to the gold, silver. So you're more than welcome to check within the next few hours if I already uploaded. Thank you very much, guys, for that update. My pleasure to be with you again. Don't be trapped. Lower exposure. And also stay home, stay safe. We are going to get back into the coronavirus update as well with next market, overall market update. Guys, thank you very much. Take care. Goodbye. See you around.